Eco Excel Hydraulic Home Lift. It is the most basic model among accessibility variety. It is designed for people with reduced mobility with wheelchair and their attendants. This lift has a single-phase motor that lets it be plugged as a household appliance. It is ruled and homologated by the current European machinery guidelines for its legalization and working. For its installation, the following phases are developed. Phase 1. The architecture execution project is done to give support to the installation work in the Phase 1. A setting out of all elements in the building is done. The installations which may be affected by the work to be done are located too. Phase 2. The first phase of masonry works to prepare the installation execution is done in the second phase. After that, the regulatory pit digging is done. The foundation that will support the structure is prepared and the safety measures are installed. Phase 3. The assembly of the structure and its closing is done in the third phase. The installation of the mechanical and electrical parts of the lift is assembled. The required safety measures are installed. Phase 4. The second part of masonry works and finishes are done in the last phase. Afterwards, the safety elements are removed. Then, the tests are done and the installation is cleaned to be commissioned and to be delivered to the client. In this delivery of the installation, the client is given all documents related to the installation.